Well, I've been running this 30-inch VIKIO Home under cabinet range hood in my kitchen for a few months now, and I want to give you a completely honest rundown of how it actually handles daily life. Let's jump right into the features. First, let's talk about the 980 CFM rating, because that is the main reason you buy this. If you have a regular family and you do heavy cooking, like searing sticks, stir frying, or anything with a lot of oil, those standard 300 or 400 CFM hoods simply cannot keep up. You end up with grease filling your cabinets. This thing has the raw suction power to actually pull smoke out of the house instantly. You get three distinct speeds to choose from. Levels 1 and 2 are perfectly fine for basic simmering and everyday cooking. But being totally transparent, level 3 is definitely loud. There's no way around it. When you have dual motors pulling 980 CFM, it is going to make noise. But when you have got smoke filling the room, you'll gladly take the noise over a smoke alarm going off. To control it, you have two options. There is a standard touch panel on the front, but it also has built-in gesture control. If your hands are covered in oil or dough while cooking, you can literally just wave your hand across the sensors to turn it on or crank up the speed without smudging up the clean stainless steel surface. Cleaning it is incredibly straightforward. Instead of those cheap mesh filters that trap grease and choke the motor over time, this uses heavy-duty stainless steel baffle filters. When they get dirty, you just pull these quick release latches, slide the plates right out, and throw them straight into the dishwasher. The overhead lighting is also a massive upgrade. It features bright, built-in LED modules that point directly down at your cooktop. It provides a really crisp, clear view of your pans so you aren't stuck cooking in the shadows of your overhead cabinets. After months of heavy daily use, it has been an absolute workhorse. If you need serious, heavy-duty fanning power for a regular family kitchen, this unit absolutely gets the job done. Highly recommended.